Versatile, compact, and powerful. Ideal on job sites with limited space or in urban areas, the PW160 11-wheeled excavator is a versatile tool, packed with new features. Joystick steering, an integrated system for controlling tools, and the factory-installed quick couplers also boost performance and efficiency. Along with its compact size, the PW160 11 features an unrivaled lifting performance. The combination of power, weight distribution, convenient dimensions, and complete control makes it the top choice for heavy-duty lifting applications, simple excavating tasks in narrow alleys, and for road and sewer construction sites. The SpaceCab provides an ergonomic and quiet work environment, with an outstanding view of the job site. ROPS certified, it was specifically designed by Komatsu for hydraulic excavators, with a reinforced pipe-structured framework set up on viscous damper mounts for low vibration levels. The standard telescopic steering wheel is comfortably adjustable in height and reach. Safety features on the Komatsu PW160 11 comply with the latest industry standards and work in synergy to minimize risks to people in and around the machine. A neutral detection system for travel and work equipment levers increase job site safety, along with a seatbelt caution indicator and an audible travel alarm. Highly durable anti-slip plates, with additional high-friction covering, maintain long-term traction performance.